Hello everyone, my name is Tananya Thonrak. Today I would like to present you how to pronounce K and G consonant sound. The G and K consonant sound. These two sounds are paired together because they take the same mouth position. K is unvoiced, k, meaning only air passes to your mouth, and G is voiced, g, g, meaning you are making a sound with your vocal cord. These consonants are stop consonants, which means there are two parts to the sound. First, a stop of the air flow. The back part of the tongue reaches up and touch the soft palate casting of the air. G. The second part, the tongue pulls away and the air is released. G, k. For example, K and G consonant sound. Come and gum, came and game, could and good, cap and gap, kill and gill. Now I have foreigner to show you how to pronounce K and G consonant sound.
Hello, I'm Anthony, I come from France, and I will try to help you to learn how to pronounce K and G sound. So, coal and goal, code and gold, pick and pig, tack and tag, dick and dig, luck and lug, brick and brig, back and bag.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.